Want to speak real Indonesian from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at indonesianpod101.com.
When you start studying a language, you'll probably feel really inspired to achieve whatever goals you might have. And your motivation for studying can come from lots of different sources. Many people want to study a new language for travel, work, or to experience a different culture. But motivation can fade over time. So, how do you stay motivated, even after that first spark of excitement fades? In this video, you'll learn 3 secrets to staying motivated. Number 1. Action first. Action is how we all start. First, we get inspired to do something. Then, we start doing it, right? But if we want to make sure we stay motivated, we can't expect to follow this same process of inspiration first, action second. It might feel correct to wait for inspiration to come before you start working on something. But waiting for inspiration is problematic because it might never come. People who wait to feel inspired before they get started might never start at all. First, you need to act. Oftentimes, you'll realize just the act of starting motivates you. Wishing for motivation is like reading about how to go outside for a walk, instead of just going outside for a walk. Instead of doing the thing, you sit on the sofa thinking about doing it. So, what do you do if you want to stay motivated with language learning? First, just jump in and start learning, because acting will boost your motivation. Real motivation comes from gaining experience and seeing results. First, you do a language lesson. You learn a conversation. Then you do another. Now you know 2 conversations. You start feeling you can do more. You see results. These results bring motivation. Number 2, have a go-to study method. Think about when you go to work or start your school day. There are probably some tasks you do first. You start with easy things like checking your email and planning your to-do list for the day. These are your go-to tasks, right? They're easy to do, and once they're finished, you can get going on the tougher stuff. Think about creating go-to tasks for your studies. This could be something like listening to an audio lesson and reading along, or watching a video lesson. Some people even like to start with writing. They write out a lesson dialogue. These kinds of tasks are good because there's no thinking involved. You just copy something out or follow along with an audio or video lesson. These are all easy to do, and you can jump in without thinking. Number 3, always have goals. You can apply this to all areas of life. Think about your friends. Do you have that one friend that's always up to something, some project? They're working on a song, or they're making videos, or they're building something. They're very motivated people, but how do they stay motivated? It's because they're always working on something. They always give themselves something to do. This goes back to taking action. If you're not learning or working, you can't stay motivated. So you need to apply this to language learning. An easy way to do that is to set goals and find things to look forward to. If you're traveling in 2 months, then your job is to learn as many travel phrases as possible. If you've signed up for a language proficiency test, your job is to work on getting a passing score. If you're using our site, you can make it a goal to finish 30 audio lessons, or choose one easy audio lesson and make it a goal to memorize the dialogue. There's always something to do, and if you always have a goal, you'll never have to worry about motivation. So, if you want to stay motivated while studying a new language, remember these 3 tips. 1. Action comes before motivation. 2. Decide on a go-to study task, one that you don't have to think about and can just jump into. And finally, always have goals. Getting results while studying is the key to staying motivated. This will help keep you moving forward on your language learning journey. For even more ways to stay motivated, check out our complete language learning program. Sign up for your free lifetime account by clicking on the link in the description. Get tons of resources that will have you speaking in your target language. And if you enjoyed these tips, hit the like button, share the video with anyone who's trying to learn a new language, and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos every week. I'll see you next time. Bye!